I'm just going to show you a quick and easy way to caramelise onions. So here we've got an onion, got a sharp knife, cut that side bit off. Remove that skin now. Right, now I'm going to chop the onion in half. Roughly dice it now. That's our onion roughly chopped. Now we're going to use a little drizzle of oil in a pan. Turn the heat on, add our onion in. Right, now this should be on a low heat. Just going to mix it. You don't want to mix it too much because you want the natural sugars to come out of the onion. Now we're just going to wait, let it cook a little bit. And if you're short for time, at this point you can add a little sprinkle of sugar and that will help the onion naturally caramelise. Give it a little mix. To caramelise onions properly, you don't really want to let it colour too much. If it goes brown straight away, then it's probably a sign that it's too hot. And this sort of caramelised onion that we're doing is perfect for hot dogs, burgers, or even if you're making a lovely French onion soup. Right, it looks like the onion's starting to soften now, so I've just got a little bit of water. I'm just going to pour a little bit in, a little bit at a time, and just help it cook, but stopping it from burning. It won't crisp up anymore, the oil will stop doing its thing, and it will just start releasing all of that sugar, and it will go nicely browned. And at this point, we can turn up the heat. So as that water dissolves, it's just going to start to caramelise. And let's add the last of our water now. And that is the perfect caramelised onions. So easy to do. Enjoy.